pick up the number 26 clear, smaller. Pepsi, thank you so much. And then I am going to apply just the clear. Blend it, blend. I just need really thin coat because we are going to do ombre and encapsulate as well. For all of you first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Subscription and such live tutorials, and thank you so much for love and support. I do really thin coats because we are going to apply the chamfer foil, and then we are apply the chamfer foil image and also ombre and encaps as well. So I'm gonna put it on the sides and let it dry. In the meantime, I am going to pick up, well, this is for different nails. Pick up a crystal clear. Hello Facebook, how are you? I think Facebook is maybe too far away. And happy Monday, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. How's everyone doing? All right, so maybe can you turn this on now? I think. And I'm gonna wipe off my brush. Make sure your brush always remaining nice and clean. Always, but we need that one there. And I'm gonna pick up my mix glitter. I just try to be goofy and get all of them mixed together, and I think it will turn out really good because I get all different. I said, oh, there's already exclusive mix, and what if I mix on the top of exclusive mix? Then you get like extra of exclusive mix, I guess, what you can call whatever it is. But look at that, I have the dot right there. I want some glow in the dark. Oh, I'm having fun with this. More glow in the dark. So you can see that glow in the dark butterflies right there. That is cool. If you have all 3 or 5 sets and you mix it together, you don't have to mix all of them together. Just make a little bit like I did. And then you can store it on your containers and then use it exclusive. So then guess what? Your clients can't get anywhere else, but from you, yours having like all unique cool things. Exclusive mix. So I usually doing about 60% of the nails because we're gonna do a fading look and ombre down. Hello everyone on Facebook and Instagram. I might not seeing all. Hey Nick, how are you? Happy Monday, Red Creoles, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. Zoe, hello, how are you? My unapologetics lifestyle, hello, how are you? Hi CC in the house. Hello Narson. Okay, so Ellen Fur, did I say it right? Hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning. Hi Lopez. Hi Pandora, I like the news profile pictures. Samantha, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. Baby, hello. Thank you so much everyone. So I let it set for a little bit. Now I want to pick up crystal clear. Just a little bit thin coat. I am going to cap. You can skip this if you want to, but I cap it to keep it nice and kind of a smooth surface before I ombre my light nude or base nude or whatever nudes that you are going to do. Make sure this part right here, the transitioning, thin, because in that way it will help your blending so much easier. Raylene, I'm using brush number 12. You can use 14 or number 12. I think your border looks super cute. So I'm using a number 19. You can do number 19 or 22. It's really a good blending colors. Just first, I'm gonna pick up just like 1 beads first. I'm gonna do 2 beads for the ombre. For a lot of you who start playing with the ombre, pick up one smaller beads first, and then you blend the ombre part first. Do not worry about cuticle yet. So we're gonna do it like about 80% away, closer to the cuticles, and using the belly of your bristle. That is how unique for a glitz brush that blend is so well for you. It basically does all the work for you instead of you have to, and it doesn't make it a streaky look. And that's why you see how the belly of it does when you're doing it. Just blend it and keep it flat and parallels from the nail surface. And I'm gonna submerging my brush. Make sure you wipe off your brush really nice and clean before you submerging your brush back into your monomer, to avoiding a lot of contaminates the powders. So I'm gonna pick up a smaller beads, and I am going to place it right about 90% close to the cuticles, and then you are going to tuck it in using the tip of your bristles. Really gentle touch. Do not do it heavy-handed. Sometimes it's just accidentally we did it's like a little bit too heavy. It might you might take all your powders off faster than you're expecting. So like a feather touch, treat it like your baby, and floating, floating, floating. Use a belly, use a belly. All right, so let's move on there so you can see it better. Hopefully it's showing good. Oh, I like that a lot. So hold on, I'm gonna find some of my maybe right there. Like I have a white or clear glow in the dark. So it looks like, oh, I should have it separate, but I don't want it dry, so I'm gonna get it from my mix. It looks like it doesn't show anything on it because I picked the white one. So I didn't want to make it like, I just thinking of it now because we're planning on not having it on, but we decide to have it. Okay, so maybe it should be okay. I'm not gonna try to wasting too much time in here. Here, I just picked the white one. Like it looks like a nothing, but actually it's gonna glow in the dark for you. All right, so I am going to cap clear. Look at that, it has so many different mix. I love it. You make yourself like exclusive, so then if the clients come in, they can't get that glitter because you mix like what, 5 sets of your glitter together, with including like all dramatics plus your glitter, and it's glow in the dark. So I'm gonna cap. The important like part you want to cap is to completely in the part of ombre, right? So if you want to cap the cuticle area, you can't. You want to make sure that the transitionings of the pink and the glitter need to be completely capped, so then when you shape and file them, they will not your ombres will not disappear on you. So I'm gonna leave it on the side and let it set. So hi Tracy, how are you? Happy Monday everyone.